So some people have asked me what my service kit setup is for doing routine preventative maintenance on generators. So over the years, we've created this. Get a rolling kit, because sometimes these things can get heavy and you might need some parts. You have a bilge pump, waste oil container, oil filter container. This is just a old container with the top cut off of it. Oil filter catch that goes underneath here. You get the idea. Bilge pump, 3/8 hose for the in and out. The in fits on top of that, which is nice. This is the new addition, which is cool. M12, and it's fused at 30 amps. Put that on there. And that's it. Makes life a lot easier for getting the oil out of here. You don't even have to warm up the unit. This also fits in here. Make sure you always have battery terminal protector and a wire brush. Always clean your battery terminals. I can't stress how important that is. The connector and the terminal has to be wire brushed. And that's it. And you just have to find a spot to dump your waste oil. Always have shop rags. And never use latex gloves, always use nitrile. Latex is pervious, so the oil can get through there. And if you're dealing with oil all day long, it's not really good for your skin. That's how you get cancer. Anyway, this is a 14KW. Thanks for watching.